What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Gerald from Bank of Gerald here with another video update. Today is Friday, July the 8th, 2022. And today we're going to talk about a platform with a PAMM account, right? So we're kind of familiar. We've been in stuff like this before, right? So we go back to FXSWAY and the AGE bots and the AGE1 PAMM account, AGE2 and all that different stuff that's available. This is the same kind of concept, and I want everyone to understand there are hosts for PAMM accounts, all right? So PAMM accounts, we've talked about kind of what those are. For those of you that don't know, let me see if I can look up a definition of a PAMM account really quickly on my phone. But while I'm doing that, I want to remind you all that I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, and I am not your financial advisor. I'm just a dude on YouTube showing you guys how I'm growing and cranking out that crypto in many different platforms, nothing more and nothing less than that. If you like this content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you want to be updated and notified about everything going on here at BOJ, make sure you hit the notification bell as well. So a PAMM account is a percentage allocation management module. All right. It's a form of pooled money Forex trading. Okay. So what these different platforms, and I'm talking about Envi FX right now, for those of you that didn't know or didn't read the description or whatever, for these different PAMM accounts, they either have to have their own host, right? Their own website. So we've talked about NOVATECH and how it provides a PAMM account. It's its own thing. But if you think about FXSWAY, it is the host for PAMM accounts like the AGE1. So what we have here, as I share my screen, is an opportunity in another host, right? Envi FX is another host for PAMM accounts. It is pretty much a spitting image of FXSWAY's back office, except for a different color scheme. All right. So obviously these things are out here. They're helping people to be a part of the Forex market trading without having to trade themselves, because they are able to link themselves to a PAMM account. All right. They get to allocate. And here's just what the thing says. It says an investor gets to allocate their money in desired proportion to the qualified traders, money managers of their choice. And this platform in VFX gives us many choices, just like FXSWAY gave us many choices. So of course you have to set up your account within VFX. You have to deposit funds into NVFX first. And of course you got to finish your KYC verification, which I've already done, to be a part of this, just like we were a part of FXSWAY. You must create an investor PAMM account with NVFX, okay? Once you do that, then you will have access to the PAMMs, all right? So same process as FXSWAY, and I've done a video kind of going through briefly how the process is, but NVFX has videos online as well about getting involved. But automated capital is the PAMM account that I was told about, all right? And I decided that I was going to put $5,000 in automated capital, right? So it says right here, net deposit shows me my deposit was $5,000. Okay. In fees, I've only paid $8 in such management fees, $8.21. That's cool. And as I pay other fees, like, what am I trying to say? If I go to the actual thing, it'll tell me exactly the word I'm looking for. So to find it, of course, you want to click on register PAMM account. And as you go down here, we find automated capital. Now, like I said, there are many different PAMM accounts that you can choose from. All right. In FXSWAY, they show you the amount of money that's in each PAMM account. This doesn't exactly go into that. So say like if you wanted to choose the box life, if you come in here, what it should do is give you what it is that they're offering and some details about how much their fees are, different stuff like that. That doesn't do that. But if we go on down to that platform, the account that we were looking to join, this automated capital, right? It gives you some details, all right? So there are different offers and choices, okay? The one that comes up right away is the VIP level offer, where your minimum initial investment has to be 25K, all right? Then it gives you the performance fee. That's the word I was looking for. So performance fees are what they charge you if they win, right? If they perform. So if they make a profit, at the end of every month, I believe, and we can read this right here. It says, and it gives us information right there, a percentage of profit gained by the money manager in this investor account that transferred to MM's own funds. Performance fee is paid to the money manager either in the end of the trading interval in case of a withdrawal by investor. In case of losses, the investor account during the current trading interval, no performance fee is paid to the money manager. All right. So if this platform, if this account loses, then they get no performance fee. It only gets a performance fee if you win, but they do take management fees every month per month. But that is just one offer, right? They have other offers. So if you click choose other offer or choose other, it'll get to the other offers, right? So they have the VIP level. They have the gold level where the minimum investment is $100, ladies and gentlemen. All right. Minimum withdrawal is $500 because they want to, and I saw this in the group chat, they want to encourage you guys to compound. All right. They want to show you what the power of compounding can do. All right. So the minimum withdrawal from that is $500. All right. Minimum deposit initial investment is $100. Of course, if you put in $500, you can take out whenever you want. Performance fees for that is 22.5%. All right. Same management fee. Then they have a platinum level. This is the level that I got in on. 5,000 initial investment. They're going to take 17.5% in performance fees. Minimum withdrawal is $100. So if I ever want to withdraw from this platform or from this PAMM account, I can do it as long as I have $100. And of course, with the $5,000 level, you can do that. Then they have the VIP Diamond Club, which I believe they most recently added for those big timers out there that want to put in over $100,000. Your performance fee that you're going to have to pay is only 7.5%. So they're rewarding the people with a less performance fee if they decide to help really make this account healthy and put in that capital. All right. I have heard some people upgrade from platinum to VIP level, right? So people have been in some of these, maybe the gold level, they want to get on the platinum level now, all right? To do that, you must withdraw the funds from wherever you're at. Those funds will go back into your wallet, and then you can jump into the next level. So say I'm at the platinum level right now, and let's just say over the next few months, I earn enough to be able to jump up into this VIP level where I'll get less I'll be paying less in performance fees, and I can still withdraw with a minimum of $100, right? I just want to pay less fees, which makes it easier for me to have more money, right? The more I can keep, right? So with that being said, you can withdraw all the capital, right? You can take it all out whenever you want and then put it right back in at the new level. All right. And that will get you into that new level. So that's just something that I've learned through the Telegram group. I did put the Telegram group in the last video, I believe. So if you're looking for that, go to the last video I did on NVFX. I think you'll be able to find it there. All right. They've even got a referral commission plan that's going to be unveiled pretty soon. And we've got a lot of people that have decided to join. All right. They've decided to get in. So shout out to the squad of people that decided to see what NVFX is all about. What you have been referred to is the broker. All right. This is NVFX as a broker. The PAMM account that we at BOJ will be doing updates on is the automated capital PAMM account. However, there are many different PAMM accounts to choose from here. So if you find another one that you like, if you're looking through and say, hey, I like Smart Bank, or you see one that maybe gives you some details actually on what they got going on, because that one sure didn't. And I don't know how many of these actually give updates. All right. This one gives a more wordy update, right? So this one is the new Prosperity Movement Fund. And it says, whether you're a seasoned trader or a complete Forex newbie, our aim is to help you earn passively in a consistent and professional manner with FX automation and mastery. Please note there's a 50-50 profit split once per month. Based on positive performance on the balance, you keep 50% of all profits made. And the minimum investment is $20. I'm sorry, not $20. It is $2,000. Now, this is not me, this is just a little free promo for New Prosperity Movement Fund, but that's just what things like NVFX and FXSWAY they provide to the people. They give you options and choices based on the people that you know, whatever your network is. And if if your network starts talking about a PAMM account that they're involved in and it's hosted on NVFX, you know that NVFX is a platform that is trusted. It's been out here. It's more than just the PAMM accounts that are attached to it. And of course, it says at the bottom, you want to make sure you read the risk warnings and different things of that nature. All right. This website is not directed at any jurisdiction and is not intended for any use that would be contrary to local law or regulation. Risk warning: trading leveraged products such as Forex may not be suitable for all investors as they carry a degree of risk to your capital. Please ensure that you fully understand the risk involved, taking into account your investment objectives and level of experience before trading, and if necessary, seek independent advice. All right. So they give their risk disclosures, all that great stuff. Of course, you all know I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. I'm just showing you guys how I'm cranking out that crypto. And we've been able to crank out this crypto through platforms like this because we can fund it with cryptocurrency. That's the biggest deal. We're able to fund these Forex PAMM accounts with cryptocurrency, ladies and gentlemen. So the opportunities are just continuing to get better. Of course, you all know the risk of being a part of a PAMM account if the money manager doesn't do things right. We've seen things in FXSWAY where things went down, then they went straight up, then they went right back down again. So we all take a risk here. We all know the risk here, or should know the risk. And if you don't quite understand the risk, then take the time to understand the risk before you join, before you deposit any money. Because if you don't understand the risk and you deposit money and it wasn't something that you were willing to lose or anything like that, you weren't playing by the rules, you over leveraged yourself, whatever the case may be, there's not going to be much remorse for you. You might get a little bit of a pat on the back, but a reminder that, hey, if you can't follow the rules, this space may not be for you. But I believe platforms like NVFX really do make it easy to win. You just got to kind of know the right people, know what's going on, and be willing to take a chance and a risk. All right. With that being said, put your 2FA on all the platforms that will allow you and all your wallets, because crypto is indeed the wild, wild west. If you ain't strapped, you're bound to get hacked. Ask me how I know. It is not very fun at all. If you like this content, go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. If you want to be updated and notified about everything going on here at BOJ, make sure you hit the notification bell as well. I will see y'all in the next video. This is Automated Capital on NVFX. And we have been winning, ladies and gentlemen. We have definitely been winning. And as a matter of fact, for those of you that are still here and didn't click off, I'm gonna just jump in really quickly. And as we get out of here, I'll be able to just kind of show you guys what Automated Capital is doing. I don't think I took any time to do that. Let's look at these positions. Now, they don't have any open positions right now, but look at their closed positions, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see, today, this is all today, right? Only one trade, but that one trade was more than all of these trades here, all right? I think that if we did the math on that, it would sum up that, well, maybe not. It might be, they might have broke even. I'm looking for history. There we go. So that was just today, but let's look at the history here. They have had winning trades, and they trade a whole lot for the 8th already. Like, look at this. It's been trading, since the crack of dawn. So it's doing this thing, all right? It's doing this thing. Win, lose, or draw, it's here. I've got my money in it. And here we go. Here's a more detailed report of everything that has gone on closed position-wise and what it's been doing. Not every trade is going to win, but it does have a winning track record. I'm seeing a lot of green. All right. And you can go back 418 pages, which I'm not going to do that. All right. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace out.